Hey, this is Abel, and we're at the ruins of an old coal mining town, I should say. And have you ever heard that song 16 Tons? It's an old miner's classic. It goes, you load 16 tons, and what do you get? Another day older and deeper in debt. St. Peter, don't you call me, 'cause I can't go. I owe my soul to the company store. Or something like that. Anyway, you're right now in the guts of this company store where they gave out free liver and tongue, but charged you an arm and a leg for anything from medicines to explosives to canned goods, and basically anything else that you could get in the early 1900s at a company store. But most importantly, they were paid too little, and that's important to know. And over the course of drinking too much or gambling, some of them would be in dire straits. And so that means that they would owe the company, like indentured servitude or slavery. It depends on how you define it. But basically, that song is about this store. This happened here. You've got this beautiful babbling brook, which I'm sure is polluted with all sorts of heavy metals and who knows what else. Actually, we do know E. coli. You're supposed to boil water here. There's a campground. But it's fascinating walking around this place, considering the history. But look more closely at some of those old songs. There are some stories to be told, and also some corollaries to what's happening now, especially considering all the talk around clean coal and coal jobs and bringing them back. This town was built in the early 1900s, and right now it's 2018. You wouldn't imagine that, 100 years later, almost everything would be gone. Well, the steps are right there, and you can still see that it was strip mined and that sort of thing, but all you see is the foundations. Remarkable. Anyway, this is Allison. That's Bailey right there. She's hit her time limit. It's kind of hot out here. We're at elevation 2. So, as always, check out Abel James for more, and we shall see you next time. Before you go, enjoy this babbling brook for just a few moments. Cheers, see you next time.